मुझे तो पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है, you'll anyway say. So here we go.
जलवा है.
Look at him, he's right there.
You know, constantly telling good-looking director surrounded by girls. मेरी बीबी सामने बैठी हुई है. Thank you. Thank you so much. Well, thank you so much. First and foremost, Nari ji, for me, it's a very big honor to get Meghna Publication Award, especially from you. As a kid, I remember I couldn't afford starters that time. So I remember going to the Radhi shop and buying starters at 1 rupee and half आठ में 4 में 2 जैसे बोलते थे ना, that time. So, and I used to read completely starters. So I think it's a great moment for me getting award from you. I've never thought I would receive award from you. And so many awards. I think I would like to thank everybody who has contributed to my journey. My actors, my producers, my music directors, everybody who has contributed to the success of my cinema. My family, everybody. And wife, of course, family. And it's a great journey. Started from a video cassette library to here. It's really a great journey. And thank you so much, Nari Saab and Meghna Publication and all the jury members who have honored me. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Your film, may you do very well. I meant he's a very good looking in a brother sense of the way. सारी लड़कियों को लगता है कितना good looking भाई है हमारा. I'm sorry. I was doing a show with Mahi, MS Dhoni, and उनसे कुछ बात हो रही थी. उन्होंने कहा, it's the moments when you break down in life is when what teaches you the most about life. जब आप success के pinnacle पर होते हैं तब तो कुछ सीखते नहीं हैं. जब आप बिल्कुल लो होते हैं. So can you share that moment where you felt that, dude, it's not going to happen, and suddenly, you know, something sparked and it worked for you?
Yeah, first of all, I want to share a very special moment, sir. I don't know whether ever I've spoken about it. You know, I was in college, I was doing my engineering, and in my second, third year, I just thought that I want to become an actor. I got a portfolio clicked, and at the time, Stardust was doing this manhunt. They were looking out for actors. Many of the pictures, I was waiting for that call to come, and after a month or so, I got those pictures back. Boss, we don't think so. You are fit for it. You have to work hard. And I said, yeah, इनको शायद ना talent की परख नहीं है, इसलिए वापस भेज दिए. But then I said, I have to really work hard and, have to prove myself. So I think it took those 20 years to get this from you. And I want to thank Meghna, Nari sir, Suchitra ji, Ashok ji for always there for me and, motivating me. I don't have my parents now, but I think the whole industry, all the people in the industry are my parents who guide me and motivate me all the time. My mom always used to say that, you have miles to go before you sleep. Yeah, still miles to go before I sleep, and the journey is on. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I can tell you that they're all very fond of you because the only word we heard was Sonu's coming, Sonu's coming. So heartiest congratulations to you. And if I want to lose 5 kgs, how do I do that? Please tell me.
You can take my number. You'll use it.
Okay, we're doing that. Thank you so much. A big round of applause for our leading light, Sonu Sood, right here. Thank you so much for being here with us, sir. Okay, they say that you always save the best for the last. excited. It's a dream come true for me that I'm standing next to Subhash Ghai ji. It's so fabulous. So, इससे पहले कि हम आगे बढ़े, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? Then we'll play a little game with you.
First of all, I'm honored, and my hearty thanks to Nari Hira, Suchitra ji, and Society Leadership Awards. I was wondering when I was coming, what I'm going to get now. I've done it all, I've seen it all. They told me that you are getting Society Leadership Award. तो मैंने कहा कि एक तो सोसाइटी बड़ी मुश्किल है, दूसरे ये लीडर, उसके ऊपर शिप, फिर उसके बाद अवार्ड, उसके बाद 2017, फिर उसके बाद सेलिब्रेटिंग ट्रू लीडरशिप, ये पांचों जो चीजें हैं बड़ी मुश्किल है. लीडर बनना बड़ा मुश्किल है, मीन्स आपके आगे कोई है ही नहीं. यू आर जस्ट गोइंग एंड पीपल आर फॉलोइंग यू. उसके बाद शिप, उस शिप में है जिस शिप की कोई डायरेक्शन ही नहीं, इन्फिनिटी है. इट्स अ वेरी हार्ड टास्क टू बी लीडर. सो सर, आप लोग प्रॉब्लम में हैं, गौरकर साहब, मधु बानरकर साहब और सब लोग जिन्होंने अवार्ड लिया है. आजकल लीडरशिप के चक्कर में और उसको सेलिब्रेट करना बहुत जरूरी है. बट आई मस्ट शेयर यू वन सीक्रेट. Then when she called me as a beloved showman, this all credit goes to one person and his magazine. His name is Nari Hira, and his magazine, when I read first time in my life that here is a man who is called Showman Subhash Ghai, so I really felt very bad, because in our Punjabi, showman means show off. I did not understand. I said, probably, stardust, you know stardust. There is always cheek behind the lines. So then I asked him one day in the other party, Nari, and he told me, I said, why Subhash Ghai is showman? Showman is one person, is Raj Kapoor Sahab hai, hamare guru hain. He says, no, showman means the man who thinks big, who makes big pictures, big frames, big music, big sound, big story, larger than life, and plus big parties, big booze. Then I said, yeah, I accept that. Thank you. Thank you very much for it. And it was lovely. Thank you, Krishka, coming here. But trust me, leadership, to be leader is a responsibility. And it is a huge responsibility how to create the younger generation as a filmmaker. So I'm taking one responsibility at this age of my time when I'm trying to create filmmakers now. And Whistling Wood is proud enough to complete his 10th year, and we have so many brilliant talent in Whistling Wood, and I'm proud of it. Thank you. Now आप कुछ पूछिए, क्या सवाल पूछिए?
कुछ सवाल पूछने वाले.
हाँ पूछिए.
Okay, so मैं nervous हूँ पूछते हुए. लेकिन अगर आज के समय में, we know we have new actors and actresses and everybody. So कुछ genres मैं आपको बताऊंगी. अगर आप मुझे बताएं कि इस genre में आप किसको cast करना चाहेंगे. Okay, very simple question. Okay, अगर आप बनाते हैं a slapstick comedy, तो आप किसको cast करेंगे?
वरुण धवन.
With?
आलिया भट्ट. Recent hit हुआ ना?
Okay, if we make a genre which is murder mystery.
मर्डर मिस्ट्री के लिए मुझे एक ही आदमी नजर आता है जो बहुत किस करते हैं. क्या नाम है उसका? वो जो किस बहुत करते हैं, इमरान हाशमी. क्योंकि मर्डर किस से शुरू होता है, सॉल्यूशन में किस में होता है.
Not bad. Okay, फिर अपने मर्डर मिस्ट्री तो इमरान हाशमी को दे दें. अगर हम अगला जॉनर बनाते हैं an adult comedy, फिर आप किसको कास्ट करेंगे?
हमारे देश के एक चीफ मिनिस्टर है, उनका बेटा, अभागा बेटा, रितेश देशमुख. अभागा बेटा.
A big round of applause for that. Okay, now supposingly we decide कि हम इन सब से अलग चले जाते हैं. Let's make a, जो सैफ अली खान already बोल चुके, maybe he's making a second version of this, a zombie horror film.
Myself.
All right, let's have a big round of applause. Subhash Garg, congratulations. Thank you so much for being here. And एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for all our leading lights.